Let's have a look at some important objective questions regarding biological characteristics of water from the subject Water Supply Engineering. Question number 1. Pollution by fecal contamination of water is indicated by option A. Clostridium welchi, B. Sporing bacteria, C. E. coli, D. None of the above. The correct answer is option C. Pollution by fecal contamination of water is indicated by presence of E. coli. Question number 2. Bacteria that can survive temperature range of 40 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius are called. The given options are A. Psychrophilic bacteria, B. Mesophilic bacteria, C. Thermophilic bacteria, and D. Pyrophilic bacteria. The correct answer is option C. Bacteria that can survive temperature range of 40 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius are called as thermophilic bacteria. Question number 3. Bacteria that can live with or without oxygen are known as option A. Aerobic bacteria, B. Anaerobic bacteria, C. Mesophilic bacteria, D. Facultative bacteria. The correct answer is option D. Bacteria that can live with or without oxygen are known as facultative bacteria. Question number 4. Sporing and non-sporing bacteria occur in option A. Soil, B. Water, C. Air, D. Sewage. The correct answer is option A. Sporing and non-sporing bacteria occur in soil. Question number 5. Coliform test having 3 stages, that is presumptive test, confirmed test and completed test is. The given options are membrane filter technique, B. Multiple tube fermentation technique, C. ambient technique, and D. None of the above. The correct answer is option B. Coliform test having 3 stages, that is presumptive, confirmed and completed test is multiple tube fermentation technique. Question number 6. Typhoid fever is caused by option A. Salmonella typhi, option B. Salmonella paratyphi A, option C. Streptococci, option D. All of the above. The correct answer is option A. Typhoid fever is caused by Salmonella typhi. Question number 7. In bacterial test of water, MPN, that is most probable number, should be option A. Less than 1 per 100 ml, B. Less than 1 per 50 ml, C. Less than 1 per 20 ml, and D. Less than 1 per 10 ml. The correct answer is option A. In bacterial test of water, MPN, that is most probable number, should be less than 1 per 100 ml. Question number 8. Fill in the blank produces slimy reddish deposits in water tanks. Option A. Slime forming bacteria, B. Iron bacteria, C. Sulfur bacteria, and D. Nitrogen bacteria. The correct answer is option B. Iron bacteria produces slimy reddish deposit in water tanks. Question number 9. Worms that may occur in water are option A. Nematodes, B. Flatworms, C. Rotifers, and D. All of the above. The correct answer is option D. All of the above. Thank you guys for watching. For more such videos on civil engineering subjects, please subscribe Simplified Learning.